So here is the demo for the project that we have been speaking about. So this is the homepage that any user would see once he is on our site. And let's go ahead and sign up. So let's say we have a new user called James, and the password is James123. And the first name, okay, some random, and that's not, middle name is not really important, so but just going ahead, and we have him as a buyer, and let's sign up. So here are the properties that are available to any buyer, so he can actually see them listed, and they can actually also make him favorite. So let's go ahead and add another favorite thing like this one, and we have the other thing selected as well. So we have seen the list, and this is the total that gets updated. You can go ahead and also pay the stuff. So let's say the card number, we have also implemented our validation for credit cards. So once you enter the card number, you should see the kind of the card popped up, and in this case I've just added a MasterCard number, and just adding the year or 25 and some random CS3 and James and James at gmail.com and some random number. So this is how he can make the payment. So letters for sign out. So we have seen the journey of a user, buyer user, and now we can go ahead and see an admin. Okay, let's go ahead to the admin. You will be popped up and ask the admin credentials. So I'm just adding the admin credentials that is set. And once that is set, once he is logged in properly, he would be able to see all these things. He could add the users, he could see all the properties that are listed, and also the users that are in the system with the buyers and sellers. So let's say he clicks on this, and these are basically all the users that were there within our system. So this is how he can actually do it, and he can also delete the stuff. Let us go back to adding the users, where he can actually give the name, he can fill in the details and add the users. Let's go back and also see all the properties that have been there. So these are all the properties that have been in the system added. And let's go to the home. So we have now seen the admin journey, and we have another journey for a seller as well. So for the seller, we have added, we've logged in a seller, and this is how he can add, this is a homepage that he would see when he lands for the first time, where he can add those details of the property that he wants to sell and can submit it. And this is the about page that we have within the app. It's basically a description of what this website does. And we have also implemented the slider just for aesthetic purposes. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.